Okay guys, I'm now at this Candi Wringin Lawang. The meaning of Wringin is actually pohon beringin, and Lawang means a gate towards the Majapahit kingdom. I'm going to show you the map of all these particular places. Come, let's go. So we are here today. Now we are here. This is the Gerbang, the gate towards the entire Majapahit kingdom. And at the center here, C1 is the museum, and number 2, C2 is the Candi Tikus, and Candi C3 is Gapura Bajang Ratu. C3 is here beside the Candi Tikus, and C4 is Candi Brahu here. So we're gonna show you that we will enter here and we'll visit all these places. Come, let's go in. What I'm doing now, just now, I was passing through the gate. This is the main gate towards the Majapahit kingdom. You could see the bricks is red bricks here. It's originally red bricks. They built all their building using the red bricks, batu bata. Come, let's go in and see. So it facing to the west actually. As you could see, this they call this as Gapura Wringin Lawang Trowulan. Actually nearby to this place, there are so many pohon beringin, but now I wouldn't be able to see any one of it. But I could see one Majapahit. Come, let's go and look at the name of Majapahit fruits. Come. How the words Majapahit got their name is actually from the fruits. This fruit called mojo, and because the fruit tastes bitter, in Java pahit means fruits that is bitter. So the name Majapahit is from this Majapahit fruits. Here is the Wringin Lawang gateway towards the Majapahit kingdom. So huge. This is the entrance to the Majapahit kingdom. So we are going to circle the whole entire Wringin Lawang gateway.